I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Stop spending your evenings on paperwork. PD Tech is here to help you get your weekends back.
Track your business assets, from vehicles to computers, directly in Xero to maintain accurate records for yourself, lenders, and investors. By logging these items, Xero automatically calculates depreciation, allowing you to claim the natural wear and tear of your assets as an expense each year, reducing your taxable income. But before you add assets to Xero, follow these 4 simple steps to get set up. First, enter the start date from the Fixed Assets screen. This is the day you want to start running depreciation in Xero. Next, categorize similar assets into groups or asset types, like office equipment, from the Settings screen. Click New Asset Type and complete the fields. If you're using Xero's default chart of accounts, you may need to add new accounts for your asset types from the Chart of Accounts screen. Then, complete the Book Depreciation default information. If you're unsure about your business's depreciation method, we recommend that you ask your financial advisor. You can view all your asset types in the Settings screen. Now you're ready to add your fixed assets. In the Fixed Assets screen, click New Asset. Enter a meaningful asset name and add serial numbers if you have a few of the same asset. Then update the book depreciation settings. To save time, you can add your assets in bulk. Click the Overflow menu and select Import. Download Xero's CSV template and fill in the columns. You can also add assets from a bill or when you reconcile a bank transaction for the purchase of an asset. Simply assign the asset to a fixed asset account. Xero creates a draft asset for you, ready to register. Select your draft assets and click Register so Xero can start calculating depreciation. Xero will display the book value, the asset's original cost less the accumulated depreciation. Attach files like photos of the asset, PDF receipts, warranty documents, or serial number photos to your asset for your records. To run depreciation, click Run Depreciation and select the end date for the period you want to record. For example, month-end or financial year-end. Click Confirm. Xero automatically debits your depreciation expense account and credits your accumulated depreciation account. Finally, when you sell or dispose of a registered asset, you need to enter the information into Xero. Select the registered asset you want to remove and update the details. Xero then calculates a profit or a loss on that asset for you. So, manage your fixed assets in Xero to keep track of their value over time and automate depreciation. Search Fixed Assets in the Xero Help menu to find out more.